Hello, biology. We are starting Unit 4, which is genetics, and we're going to start a little differently this unit with an assignment to see what you already know and kind of fill in any misconceptions or myths you might have about DNA. So this is a 2-slide assignment. Each slide has a video that goes along with some questions. You'll see the videos embedded in the slide here, and then these questions should either be related to the slide and/or might want you to expand your thinking and share some of your ideas. So not all the answers will be in the video, and this is how I'm going to get a good idea of what you know. So the first video is actually embedded. If you click play, it'll just play right there. Second slide, when you click on this video, it will actually take you to a link where you will be able to watch the video because I can't embed it. Otherwise, it's pretty self-explanatory. One problem, so to say, that comes up with this assignment is, let's say you have so many words, you're typing, and you get lots of enters in there. Notice how the whole chart has shifted down, and now your answer would be like hanging off the slide here. Just go back up here and delete out that extra space, and that should bring it back to where it should be. So that's the main problem I see with this assignment. Otherwise, wherever you click in a box, you're going to find space to type. And if I'm asking for list items, I've given you at least 3 to get you started with, so that is the minimum I am requesting, is at least 3. Other than that, hopefully it does not give you much trouble, but if you do have questions, feel free to email me or use the chat feature. Have fun!